Coverage testing in Python involves using tools like coverage.py to measure which parts of your code are executed during tests. This helps identify untested code paths, ensuring comprehensive test suites. While high coverage doesn't guarantee bug-free code, it highlights areas needing attention, transforming testing into a data-driven process. Aim for meaningful coverage, not just high percentages. Coverage testing identifies which code parts are executed during tests, highlighting untested paths. It helps teams find test suite gaps, reducing undetected bug risks. Think of it as a map of test exploration. While high coverage doesn't ensure bug-free code, low coverage indicates missing scenarios. Aim for meaningful, not just high coverage. Line coverage measures the percentage of executed code lines, offering a straightforward insight. Branch coverage tracks decision paths, providing thorough analysis. Function coverage ensures all functions are called, highlighting unused code. Path coverage analyzes all execution sequences, offering comprehensive insights, but is computationally expensive. Start with line and branch coverage for actionable insights in Python projects. Coverage.py, developed by Ned Batchelder, is the standard for Python code coverage. It integrates with PyTest and unit test, tracking execution during tests. Installation is simple with pip, and configuration is customizable via .coveragerc or pyproject.toml. It supports terminal, HTML, and XML outputs, aiding continuous integration, continuous deployment integration. To install coverage.py, use pip install coverage. Execute tests with coverage run mpytest to track coverage. View a summary using coverage report or generate detailed HTML reports with coverage HTML. HTML reports highlight untested code, aiding in thorough analysis. Integrate with continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines, and set minimum coverage thresholds for robust testing. In this example, the subtract function lacks test coverage, highlighting a gap in our testing. Running coverage.py will identify this omission, encouraging the addition of tests for subtract to ensure comprehensive coverage. This process is crucial for maintaining robust code quality and reliability. Coverage reports provide insights into test effectiveness. Line coverage at 87% shows executed lines, while 92% branch coverage highlights decision paths. Pay attention to the missing column for untested lines. HTML reports use red for uncovered, green for covered, and yellow for partial branch coverage, guiding improvements in test completeness. Coverage.py's configuration options allow precise control over analysis. Use .coveragerc, setup.cfg, or pyproject.toml to set source directories, omit files like tests, and define report precision. The Show Missing option highlights untested lines, while Skip Covered hides fully covered files, ensuring accurate and clean reports. Branch coverage enhances testing by ensuring both true and false paths in conditional statements are tested. Unlike standard line coverage, which marks an if statement as covered if any path executes, branch coverage requires testing all decision outcomes. Use coverage run, branch mpytest, to enable this, ensuring comprehensive verification and improved test quality. Consider the function process, user age, which classifies users by age group. Testing only the adult category with test adult achieves 67% branch coverage. To reach 100%, test all age groups is necessary, verifying minor, adult, and senior categories. This ensures both true and false paths of each condition are tested, enhancing test reliability. Excluding certain code from coverage is essential for accurate metrics. Defensive code, debug statements, and platform-specific blocks often don't require coverage. Coverage.py allows inline pragmas and pattern-based exclusions. Use pragma comments like pragma, no cover for untestable code, ensuring exclusions are not misused to artificially boost coverage statistics. Integrating coverage tools with testing frameworks enhances efficiency. Use PyTest Cove for seamless PyTest integration, enabling combined test execution and coverage reporting. For unit test, run coverage directly with coverage run unit test discover. Configure tox.ini for multi-environment testing with Tox. In continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines generate XML reports for streamlined processing, ensuring comprehensive coverage analysis across environments. The PyTest Cove plugin enhances PyTest by integrating coverage measurement, offering a seamless testing experience. Install it via pip and use commands like pytest, Cove myapp to generate reports. The Cove fail under flag ensures tests fail if coverage is below a set threshold, crucial for maintaining code quality in continuous integration, continuous deployment environments. Integrating coverage into continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines ensures quality by failing builds if coverage drops below set thresholds. Configure your pipeline to prevent untested code from reaching production. For example, use GitHub Actions to run tests with coverage and upload results to CodeCov, ensuring consistent quality gates and visibility of coverage trends. Coverage services like CodeCov, Coveralls, and CodeClimate enhance continuous integration pipelines by visualizing trends, analyzing pull request impacts, and integrating with GitHub. They support multiple languages and provide file-level insights. These tools display coverage badges, making coverage a visible, team-wide metric, and combine coverage with code quality for comprehensive analysis. Setting coverage goals requires aligning targets with code criticality and risk tolerance. Financial systems need higher coverage than internal tools. Begin with achievable goals like 60-70% and increase as testing culture matures. Avoid the 100% obsession. Prioritize meaningful tests over sheer numbers. Chasing 100% coverage can mislead by focusing on trivial code like getters while neglecting complex business logic. Prioritize testing behavior over mere line execution. High coverage with weak assertions offers false confidence. Ensure tests verify behavior. Line coverage misses conditional paths. Enable branch coverage for meaningful insights. Avoid testing implementation details to prevent breakage during refactoring. Mutation testing goes beyond coverage by introducing deliberate bugs to check test effectiveness. If tests pass despite mutations, it indicates assertion gaps. Tools like MutMut automate this by altering operators and conditionals. Though computationally intensive, it uncovers weaknesses that simple coverage metrics overlook, ensuring robust test suites. Differential coverage targets. Only the code changes in a pull request, focusing on new code quality. Start by measuring baseline coverage on the main branch. Then, run coverage on the feature branch to identify changed lines. Tools like diffcover calculate coverage for these lines, ensuring high standards for new code while managing legacy code challenges. Implementing differential coverage involves using tools like diffcover. First, install diffcover, run tests with coverage, and generate an XML report. Use diffcover to compare against the main branch, enforcing a 90% coverage threshold on new code. This approach is crucial for large legacy code bases, ensuring new code quality without overhauling existing code. Coverage metrics vary across testing layers. Unit tests should target 80-90% coverage, focusing on business logic. Integration tests, covering component interactions, aim for 60-70% coverage. End-to-end tests, while providing broad coverage, should strategically cover critical user paths due to their high maintenance and slow execution. Avoid using end-to-end tests as substitutes for unit tests. Begin with test-driven development by writing a failing test to define expected behavior. Implement the feature with minimal code to pass the test. Run coverage analysis to identify gaps, then review missing coverage. Add tests for edge cases, error conditions, and boundary values. Refactor confidently, ensuring tests catch regressions. Investigate red flags like error handling blocks with 0% coverage and complex logic without branch coverage. Ensure public API methods are tested. Accept low coverage for defensive programming and deprecated code. Regularly review coverage to identify trends and prioritize testing. This ensures critical business logic is adequately tested and maintains high-quality standards. Merge coverage from various test runs for a comprehensive view using Coverage Combine. Use coverage contexts to track test coverage and identify redundancies. Integrate profiling tools to enhance both coverage and speed. Employ PyTest XDist for parallel testing, ensuring rapid feedback on extensive code bases. These techniques enable efficient scaling of coverage in complex systems. Coverage is a guide, not a goal. Focus on writing meaningful tests that verify behavior and catch real bugs. Prioritize branch coverage over line coverage to ensure all decision paths are tested. Automate coverage checks in continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines with thresholds. Set realistic coverage goals and use differential coverage to improve legacy code incrementally.